Hey, this is John with MoparRestorationParts.com. Today we're going to talk about wiring harnesses a little bit. In the wintertime it's always a good time to take care of some of these things, especially living in Minnesota where we get some cold days. I thought we had a good start on some warm ones, so I started working outside, but anyway, it's turned cold again, and so I'm back inside detailing some of my wiring harnesses. I basically want to show you what I pulled out of my 70 convertible. This is the power window harnesses right here, and what I'll show you is how I take care of these to renew them. I mean, something like this you can't buy reproduced. So I want you to see that these have paint overspray on them, and you find that typically in cars where when they get restored or just painted, they won't remove the harnesses. And you can see the rough service tape is in bad shape, and so I'm going to show you what I do to clean these up and to make them look better and make repairs. And I have a couple of donor harnesses. I've been working on some of the dash rally harnesses. I'm converting them to rally dash cars, both of them, both 70s I have. So I do take some of the other harnesses and fix all the pieces that are bad. So I'm going to take these, and I've got a deep sink here, and I'm going to put them in there. And the first thing I do is I use basically an aircraft paint remover. This is made by Rust-Oleum. You can buy it at AutoZone. And I use this to remove all the paint. And then what I do after that is when the paint's all removed and cleaned off, I just use your basic bleach white. And what that does, it really brings the wires back to life. The colors start popping on them, so it would be they look almost brand new. And it also cleans up the rubber real well. And I use a little bit of a scouring pad, real soft one, and I kind of clean all the exposed wires. And it'll work on the tape and whatnot. But you got especially on the vinyl tape. When you get to the rough surface, it's kind of hard to clean. So we'll just clean that up by basically taping over it after we got all the chunks off. Anyway, I'll get started on that, and I'll get back to you as I get going on it. This is John, Mopar Restoration Parts. See you in a little bit.